Hello students, this is Neha Mathur and today in this video I will tell you about D flip-flop or next category of flip-flop, which is your D flip-flop. But before starting the video, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. So our today's topic is D flip-flop. D stands for delay. D flip-flop is simple, a clocked SR flip-flop with just a small modification, and the modification is you will have to connect a single inverter between S and R inputs. So just by connecting an inverter between S and R input, you can get your D flip-flop with the help of clocked SR flip-flop. So now I am going to design with the circuit of D flip-flop. Since it is just a SR flip-flop, so again we'll have to take 4 NAND gates, two back NAND gates are in cross coupling structure with 2 outputs Q and Q bar, to front NAND gates with 2 inputs S and R and a common clock. Now this SR circuit, clocked SR circuit, is converted into D flip-flop by small modification, and the modification is you will have to connect one inverter between your S and R. That means now this circuit will have only single input, and that input is represented by D. So for your D flip-flop, you will have only single input represented by D. Now with this circuit you can say that your S and R is in complementary form. Why I am saying this? Because your S and R is connected to each other via inverter. So if your S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1, if your S is equals to 0, then your R will be 1, and if your S is equals to 1, then R will be 0. That means they are in complementary form. That means here S is equals to R is equals to 0 and S is equals to R is equals to 1 will never appear. Fine. So your D flip-flop is able to work with 2 cases, when S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1, and when S is equals to 1 and R is equals to 0. Not able to go with these 2 cases because S and R in its complementary form. Now this D flip-flop is only able to work with 2 cases when S and R will be complement to each other. This means this circuit is able to avoid the problem coming with S is equals to R is equals to 0. That was unchanged condition, depends on previous values, and S is equals to R is equals to 1. So we will deal with only 2 cases. So I am just drawing the truth table for this flip-flop, in which you will have inputs. Only one input we have, that is D, and it may be 0 or 1, and your 2 outputs Q and Q bar. Outputs Q and Q bar, and here I will mention comment. Comment means the specific states. Fine. Now see, when your D is equals to 0, that means your S is 0 while your R is 1. The one thing I will mention over here before starting the truth table description, the gate, your flip-flop is only able to work when your clock is equals to 1. If your clock is equals to 0, the circuit will remain in its own state, or you can say that for clock is equals to 0, it will hold its previous values. So the new values or the execution of these steps is only able or only possible for clock is equals to 1. So with clock is equals to 1, if initially your D is equals to 0, that means your S is equals to 0 and your R is equals to 1. If S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1, that means the reset state of your SR flip flop, and by following the concept of reset state, your Q will be 0 and your Q bar will be 1. That means it is your reset state. I am just reviewing the concept of this. See, your S is equals to 0, that means the output of this NAND gate will be 1, while for here your clock is 1 and your R is 1, 1.1 with its complement it will be 0. So the output of this NAND gate is 0, while for this NAND gate it is 1. Now for this NAND gate its one input is 0, then there is no need to go with second inputs. Then as per the Boolean expression of this NAND gate, when 0 is multiplied by any of the value which is your Q, its complement will be 1. So your Q bar will be 1. Your Q bar is 1. Now this one is working as an input for this NAND gate with already its value 1. So for this NAND gate one input is 1, or you are getting second input is also 1 from here. So it will be 0 and you are getting Q is equals to 0. That means for D is equals to 0, you will get Q is equals to 0 and Q bar is equals to 1 at its output. Just like when S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1. Now come with its second case, when D is equals to 1. So if your D is equals to 1, that means your S is 1 and just because of this inverter your R will be 0. Now S is 1 and R is 0. As per the concept of SR flip flop, for S is equals to 1 and R is equals to 0, it will be 1 and it will be 0. That means your set state. And I am again repeating the concept. See, if S is equals to 1 and your clock is also 1, that means 1.1 with its complement it will be 0. That means the output of first NAND gate is 0, while come with this NAND gate its one input is 0 and second input is 1. That means its output will be 1. Now this 0 is directly applied at the first input of this inverter, then no need to go with this second input. So 0 is multiplied by Q bar, it will be 0 with complement and it will be 1. So your Q is 1 and see your Q is 1. Now this one is applying over here for this NAND gate where 1 is already its one input. So 1.1 with its complement it will be 0. So now your Q bar will be 0 and we are getting our Q bar is equals to 0. That means D flip flop with two possible combinations of SR flip flop, S and R 0 1 and S and R 1 0, is able to show reset and set state, and SR is equals to 0 0 and SR is equals to 1 1 will never appear, just because of the concept of the complementary form of S and R, and D flip flop will have only single input represented by D. So this is the small and easiest concept of the D flip flop. Fine. So if you are following the concept, consider to subscribe my channel. And one more thing, just to understand the complete mechanism of reset and set state, I will suggest you to follow the video of SR flip flop. The complete detailing of the SR flip flop is mentioned in that particular video. So follow that video also, and if you are following the concept here also, then consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. Thank you.